We are out here at Tampa MX for the Mini Moto Cartel Pit Bike Race. Practice is starting now.
And loving the track. So finishing up track prep. Here's some of the track, and practice went well, and that's it. We're gonna hop into riders meeting, and I'm gonna hopefully get the whole shot because they're having a $100 whole shot award, so I'm gonna try to get that. And yeah, let's hop into that real quick. Let's go. Oh my. Start. I told you that's what they're doing. First turn they go. Carter went down. Get up, bro. Oh,
Connor Moore gonna round out your top 5 with a 31 of Varn in 6. Race number 5 off and running the e-bike. Riley Wells in second.
Next race.
Around the outside of getting a good drive.
Alright, what is up, guys? We're back. Ended up winning $100, but hopefully next race we'll win another 100. It was the whole shot of world. Ended up pulling the whole shot by a good amount, and I think stock limited we're in, and we're about to head out again for 15 under. So we'll top of that right now. Out here at Tampa, boys. See if we can get the another whole shot. Let's go. Alright, we're back. We're on top of the podium again. Got second overall 15 under, and we got the $100 whole shot award.
14 to 16.
And we are gonna take a break and see awards. So we'll top of that right now. Woo!
Guys, there it is, open money, your top 3 up on the podium. This is the reason it happens every year, guys. Let's give it up for him. Wyatt Fontenot taking the win. Make sure you guys hide your stuff. Let's give it up one more time, guys. Your top 3 open money.
Alright, what is up, everyone? Just got back from awards and the $4,500 pit bike race. That's over. And had a great time actually out here at Trackless Prime. prime conditions, not dry, nothing. It was perfect. And big shout out to CJR for letting me borrow a rear brake thing. So mine, because mine kept getting stuck. And it was a successful day. Ended up getting 2 hole shots, which I got $100 per hole shot, which is 200 faster minis. So big shout out to everyone that put this on, all the sponsors, everyone, and I think Mini Moto Cartel. And ended up second, 1500, and fourth, and stock something, it was stock something. And that's it. So make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace out.